Opening scene. Sound mysterious, suspenseful music. Narrator. Imagine waking up in a world where civilization as we know it has collapsed. The remnants of our once thriving societies lay in ruins, and survival is the new priority. But there's a glimmer of hope. What if we could rebuild, better and stronger? Narrator. In our quest to become a Type 1 civilization, we harness all the available energy on Earth. Today, we're about 0.73 on the Kardashev scale, relying heavily on fossil fuels, but with advancements in renewable technologies, we're inching closer to a sustainable future. Narrator. Think about solar panels capturing sunlight, wind turbines converting breezes into electricity, and geothermal plants tapping into Earth's internal heat. These are the stepping stones toward a Type 1 civilization. Narrator. But what if everything explodes tomorrow? Transitioning isn't just about energy, it's about survival. Underground shelters could become our sanctuaries, equipped with food storage and essential supplies. Narrator, we'd need to adapt quickly, growing food using hydroponics and storing water efficiently. Communities would band together, sharing knowledge and resources to thrive in this new world. Narrator. The journey to a Type 1 civilization is not just about technology, it's about resilience, innovation and cooperation. Even in the face of catastrophe, humanity's spirit to rebuild and advance can lead us to a brighter future. Narrator. So let's dream big, work hard and prepare for any challenge. Our path to becoming a Type 1 civilization is filled with potential, and together we can make it a reality. Closing scene. Narrator. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe and join me on more adventures into the mysteries of our universe. Sound music fades out.